This is almost as easy as changing the engines on a plane flying from Mumbai to Manchester while it's flying.
That sounds out of the box. However, National Stock Exchange's project of switching the network protocol from X25 to IP demanded such innovation. No wonder the project named N-Cubed was awarded by the Project Management Institute as the second best project for 2009. So how was N-Cubed not any other IT project and the first of its kind in India? Let's find out.
In a situation like this, wherein there are about 5,000 locations and about 10,000 members connecting on to this kind of system, and wherein about 50 to 60 million messages happening on a daily basis, the key challenge is how do we plan it in a way we risk mitigate the entire market and drive the whole process without even single minute of downtime.
A simultaneous process of risk mitigation and protocol transition, and that too without any downtime, was a key challenge. Nevertheless, the immediate question was about the need of this change in protocol.
What is the paradigm today? X.25 is becoming obsolete. The R&D efforts in X.25 is day by day is reducing. As a result of it, any change or any innovation what we need to do in the X.25 space, the cost is going to be very high. So the moment you move it to a standard protocol like IP, there is enough innovation happening. There are enough players who is doing work on IP space. So whenever you want to introduce some change or when you want to do innovation, there are people available to do these kind of changes. The higher throughput and latency, initially, if you look at X.25, we were running on 64K lines. We could give only limited capacity to members, and we can pass limited throughputs only through the 64K lines. And also the market refresh, we had a controlled market refresh to the market. These were the three business constraints on this. The moment you move to a common technology, the cost is very low. By moving to IP, one, you are going to get these increased bandwidth facilities, and also it is going to give you reliability. Along with that, it is going to reduce the exchange cost as well as the member costs. The moment you reduce your exchange cost and the member cost, it is directly the benefit is going to go to the investor.
From a member perspective, he not only benefits from a decrease in cost of transactions, but also a higher throughput. So in short, the member is able to transact more at a lesser incremental cost.
Previously, it was 64 kbps is what was available to the member. Today, on a minimum, we have given 2 Mbps. As we move along, we can go to a 10 Mbps or we can go to a 40 Mbps or 100 Mbps, depending on how the market moves. So what is the benefit to the member in the whole process? If it is a 64 kbps line, they were having hundreds of 64 kbps line to take care of their capacity. That means they were having hundreds of servers and hundreds of locations to handle their volumes. Today, by way of giving a 2 Mbps line, you are able to consolidate all these IT infrastructure. That is going to reduce the cost of IT for the member as well as the maintenance cost in the long term for the members. This is going to considerably reduce their operating cost also. Right now, we are doing a faster market broadcast. That means the rates, whatever is going to the market, it is sent at a faster frequency. The members are able to see the rate change at the exchange immediately and able to take their decision. The second stage, what we are talking about is tick-by-tick data. Every change what is happening, whether there is an order or whether it is a modification or whether it is a trade, that is going to be sent to the member without any reference of broker or without any reference of client. And it will help the members to build a complete order book. This is going to fuel the algo trading very, very clearly. If it is a human eye or a human reaction, they will not be able to use these kind of a data. So algo is going to happen with software which is going to take all these rates and they would be able to take a quicker decision. The second aspect of it is the number of messages which was given earlier was somewhere around with the 64K lines, you can give only limited number of messages. With the newer technology, with an IP migration, we have slabs. You can have 40 messages per second or 100 messages per second or 200 messages per second. depending on what is the member needing. And also it is going to enhance the risk management. The moment you consolidate everything, every information is going to be available in a single server, they can do a better risk management.